All right, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about the benefits of foam rolling. Foam rolling is one of the best things you can do pre-workout to really help enhance your workouts, enhance your performance as you go through and you try to get the body that you're working for, that you're striving for. So this video will give you guys a few tips, a few pointers about what foam rolling is gonna do for you and why you should start doing it for each and every session that you hit. Before I get into that, I'm gonna review this little foam roller right here. This is a foam roller that I've been using for about 3 or 4 years now. I cannot start any workout without this. This has done such an amazing job on increasing my range of motion in my body and really helping me out with some of my knots and my trigger points. So shout out to Acumobility. This foam roller uses a EVA dense foam. So you're gonna notice how much more pressure you're gonna be able to get and put on some of your knots and trigger points to be able to relieve them. That's a big thing I've noticed with this Acumobility roller. Another thing too, man, it supports 1,000 pounds. It's very durable as well. It's very wide too, so for those of you guys that may be scared of like getting on like a wheel roller like this, think you might fall off, you definitely won't, but this is a great roller, guys. I'll recommend this to anybody because I've definitely seen the humongous difference that's made for me. So definitely shout out to Acumobility. Check this roller out. I'll leave a link in the description too for you guys to get it if you guys are interested in it. All right, now that I got the Acumobility roller out the way, I want to talk a little bit about some of the benefits of foam rolling and why it's going to be such an asset to you to be able to start performing pre-workout. And what foam rolling essentially does is it's going to relieve knots and trigger points that you have in your muscles. That's going to be decreasing your overall range of motion and the muscle function in which they can perform. And as you're going through your workouts, you want to make sure that you can lift and you can perform each of your sets and things with a greater range of motion, because the more that your muscle can go in a proper range of motion and the less imbalances you have, the better overall your body is going to be able to perform, which in turn is going to help you get to the results you want faster. So that is a big thing that foam rolling is going to do for you. It'll definitely help relieve different muscle sorenesses and things you're going to have after your workouts, because again, the more loose and the less knots you have, the better you're going to feel, the better you're going to perform. And it's definitely a great way to get some blood flow too in your muscles and things before you start lifting, so that you can just overall feel better and you'll move better as well. So foam rolling can be a big asset to you, and definitely something I recommend that you guys start doing before your sessions, because I promise you, you'll see a humongous difference when you start doing it. All right guys, that's gonna be it for this video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed some of this information about foam rolling. I definitely recommend that you guys start doing it pre-workout. I promise you, you're gonna see a big difference in your sessions and in your training and in your body as well, as you become more loose, more flexible, and your muscles can move in a greater range of motion. Definitely recommend this Acumobility roller too, guys. It's a great one. I've seen a big difference with it, and I know that you guys will as well. If you guys enjoyed this, man, definitely be sure to leave a like. Be sure to comment. I'd love to engage with you guys more, be able to communicate with you guys, see what you're liking, see in any ways that I can help you guys outside of this as well. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification as well, as I'm uploading new content every week, man. Honor Your Temple is all about getting the most out of your body, physically, mentally, and helping you guys achieve the things you want to. We get one life, man, so Honor Your Temple is all about honoring our body, getting our body healthy, getting ourselves in shape, and getting the most out of this life. So I hope you guys become a part of the community, man, and I'll see you guys in the next one.